Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use MetaTrader for mobile app on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, make sure to download the MetaTrader 4 application. For that, simply open your app store and search for MT4. After it is downloaded, open it up and you'll be greeted at the start. Now, the first step will be to log into your account. To do that, tap Settings on the bottom right of your phone, then select Add a new account and type in the broker you have created an account with. After that, tap on it and enter your login and password. Some companies have more than one server, so make sure you choose the one that you have created the account with. After signing in, you will be prompted to the quote section, and this is where you see some of the symbols available for you to trade. You also have an extra option here, simple or advanced. The simple version, as you can see, allows you to see the symbols and the prices, while the advanced version gives you more insights such as time, spread, low and highs. Simply pick the one that you find best for you and the application will memorize it, so you don't have to swap back and forth all the time. Anyways, to add more symbols to this screen, tap the plus icon on the top right corner. On the new screen, enter a symbol for search on the top bar and you will get quite a few options. Here, tap re-symbol and you will get a few more information such as spread, digit, contract size, and so on. To get back to quotes, tap the back button on the top left side. Now you are back to quotes, and if you scroll down, you will be able to see the symbol you added. To remove a trading pair from your main quote screen, tap the pencil icon on the top left side. Now, tap the pairs you wish to remove. You will then see a check mark in a red circle. Simply tap the trash image on the top right side and the pair will be removed. To move the pairs around to your liking, tap and hold the three lines next to the target one and scroll them up or down. Once you are finished, tap the pencil icon once more to get back to the quotes. From here, and by tapping on any of the pairs you can trade, check the charts and look at details. Starting with trade, once you tap it, you get the pair on the top. You can then change it by tapping on it and choosing the one you like. Keep in mind the choice you will have are based on the pairs you have or you added on your quote screen. So if you don't see a pair you would like to trade here, go back and add it by using the process we followed earlier. So that's basically how you can use MetaTrader for mobile app on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.